The Flngr WR55X11098 refrigerator control board is a well-engineered replacement that restores precise temperature management and overall stability in many General Electric French door and side-by-side refrigerators. Its broad compatibility with a long list of General Electric models makes it especially useful for households trying to keep an older but otherwise solid refrigerator running for many more years. Build quality is impressive, with carefully chosen electronic components and factory testing that help the board hold up well under constant heat and moisture inside the control compartment. Homeowners with basic repair skills can usually install this board in a short time by following a simple sequence of disconnecting power, swapping connectors, and remounting the panel. Many users find that issues like warm, fresh food sections, erratic cooling cycles, or unresponsive controls are resolved once this control board is installed and calibrated by the refrigerator itself. Overall, this control board offers a practical, reliable way to fix common control failures without replacing the entire refrigerator, making it an appealing option for do-it-yourself repairs.